Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
It's here for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so na nsɛm AC ɛwɔ my way momenti ase NDC MP akwa kansem ɛna former president ekopostiye na chese former president no so efwa so Emma President Akufo-Addo dia ebufu aba abonten interest sa ade na former president aye no enya ade a etwa yie sisi ade NDC for say ade na was president ni bufu wo waye mi ade na mi bufu no wo betre me say ade na was me bufu ade na was me bufu that one there is not your problem wo waye mi ade na waye me no me hu ni say dabi asema waka afa me ho no entwa yie me bufu ma ba abonten Osimi ni kwan se wo se mibufu asemu amahama eka etre president Akufo-Addo no na nini nemu no akwa akodane conversation. Why? Because the president was angry about it. A lot of Ghanaians have not seen the president speak that way. Say nya wodi ebufu ekasa ye no utumi say asem na ehye no say mahama efre wono eye Sakawa boy eye ne ya say wono president wabo brase pana yede edin Sakawa eto ono ene ne busuafo so ye say ni din until for the very first time he was angry. Na nini nemu no me the report na Abrel, the communication officer of the NDC a friend no Sami Jemfi wo ye manka Sami senior wo ye mi senior ewo KN University. Sami Jemfi aba abonten den sem aba betudwa etiefo na Sami Jemfi so to ama president Akufo-Addo say eni kwan say ni butre say ene na mementi ase we ase sometimes we ase yesri o ene na mementi ase no mimiti mi baby a obi aba abedi matem na mimi bofu no na ba ko na ne ba ko ne betre me say me aden na wo say mimi bufu it is Sami Jemfi so aba bonten and you are seeing the letter Sami Jemfi release, the statement I will release right in front of you. Maybe the near come na yahwe nsema Sami Jemfi ka, but Mr. NDC for asem way more trim dear Mahama ye no entry okwa stropa form whether you want to defend Mahama. However, entry ye if he wanted to criticize Akufo-Addo, it was okay. Well, no president Akufo-Addo nankasa no betumi akase o Akufo-Addo is a Sakawa man or way politics ye ne beti ase. As far as you brought the Achin people inside, esanso de kan hono people will say enye no kan na wo kana, people will misinterpret it. That is communication. Expert in communication nim say eto de bia sometimes you say some things but that's not in the intended thing. But who said that be dia wo kan ye no and back out, they say send your intended. Yeah, what you do is you apologize. But Ghana has say politicians don't apologize. Because when you talk apologize, about Tom Bredu, you the bebo nechi, and wajatum say wokoye, it's a politician di bonekrana, one person obejatum. But wopia sebi, wopia obetenas ya ha sem webe hunu se dabi. Sa sem na president ko kan ye. President Akufo-Addo, you for politics into nchen sa sem na former president Mahama ko kan ye target president Akufo-Addo say ye nebusuanfo kra na what target omo Asakawa people no ade a entwa ye wo de yen fa ne say one president Akufo-Addo say na keni kwan say Mahama kasa tre achimfo sa na Mahama ka say eni achimfo no ni omo kasa no ni Akufo-Addo ene nebusuanfo bi a wo mo aban mu wo de yen fa ne say yes Akufo-Addo ni nebusuanfo kra. At least your level as a former president, referring to a sitting president and his family as Sakawa people. I mean, odie yemfa ne sa. Yes, odie yati as say eni achimfo na oni omokasa. But referring to the president and his family as Sakawa people, is it all right? Is it right? Wow, them say we supporting Mahama wa same way mu mi bisa wo. Is it right? I'm just asking you. Is it right? Eya yen kan ne grow. Eya yen kan ne kre. Entwa ye. Entwa ye. O person criticizing, o betumi criticizing no. But Ghana has say nsem bi wo ho ayen boso emra. Information minister kan papa no wa parliament. Ye ne ba bonten Yenim say yes. Papa na enya wo, ye mu bi yenim say enya wo, but e ya ade a aba beto ho ankrofo edi udin aba befra. Ya ba bontin me defend wo. And so you also calling someone and his family a saka wap just say entwa ye ne kredie. Ne kre entwa ye. Nti President Akufo-Addo be complain ye no. Just say NDC for buefu say ade na was President Akufo-Addo be complain. Nti no yan call nsamo Asami Gyamfi watro. Sami Gyamfi asamo a watro ni. And you are seeing it. So see President Akufo-Addo is actually asking the Catholic Bishop Conference to condemn what exactly? So President Akufo-Addo is actually alive to social media political jabs, while he pretends not to see nor hear about any of the state-sponsored acts that have threatened and continue to threaten the peace and cohesion of this country. It is now obvious that President Akufo-Addo and the NPP's obsession with the name Mahama can no longer be discounted. Indeed, for those who had time to count, President Mahama's name is said to have received over 1,000 mentions during the NPP's recent manifesto launch, far more than any policy proposition the NPP presented to the Ghanaian people. In fact, President Akufo-Addo's own incessant reference to the name Mahama in nearly every public appearances of his goes to confirm that the central focus of the NPP's campaign this year is President Mahama and nothing more. But suffice it to say also that this campaign based on a Mahamaphobia is falling apart. In the video below, into a posted video, in the video below, President Akufo-Addo is actually asking the Catholic bishop to condemn what exactly? In Chasama Wakano, can President Akufo-Addo remind himself of his description of ECOWAS citizen in reference to a particular ethnic group and the deliberate misuse of state security agencies against the ethnic group during the recent voter registration exercise? Was he not in this country when the NPP MP for Adansia Sokwa, K.T. Hammond, described Ewe as Togolese? So President Akufo-Addo has not heard about the state-sponsored ethnocentric harassment against Ewes and Northerners at Banda, Ketu South, Ahafwanu North, among others, during the recent voter registration exercise. Again, has President Akufo-Addo forgotten about his description of President Mills of blessed memory as Professor Doolittle, as well as his recent description of his critics as naysayers and political Jeremiahs? Until President Akufo-Addo rises above pettiness to address these critical issues that actually border on the peace and cohesion of Ghana, I'd concern his comment in the attached video as another joke from him. May I remind him that the 2020 election is about rescuing this country from his misrule and divisive governance, and not only pandering to his petty whining and frustration. It is someone Sami Gyamfi so or the ababetu jano no war bro so say nansenya MC K.T. Hammond MP just MPP MP kwa agbefo and okofra agbefo say wo mu frito omu yetogo fo omu nya Ghana fo osanso bodo bon sembi so te say de Mahama kan na say President Akufo-Addo na wo be friend Atamils, Professor Doolittle, just say, in actual sense, what normal politicians do in this country, that's the same thing Sami Gyamfi is doing. So for me, I am even not surprised. I am even not surprised. That's the same thing Sami Gyamfi is doing. What normal politicians do in this country. And let me show you, let me give you the trick. And then I know what I say. Won't say NDC for. Bibia beba. President Akufo-Addo aban mu bia enye papa bia no NDC for beka mabochine bi NDC for emba aban mu wo mo so bedi sa abone na no wo mo di bone na NPP for so beka asem wo mo so beka tre NPP for ne say mo kai mo so 2020 mu ye bi. And that is the political game of every politician in this country. And no na politician bia ye wo ko di bone iti yemfa ne say corruption. Yafane say Akufo-Addo mre so excavator and sensem see ye NDC ni sorry kan excavator wan say the excavator obon say na NPP communicator so asha say na mo so mo time a confirm omutuko ye no ya kan wan say mewie wehu. That is the same thing Sami Gyamfi is doing here. And you see, for me, if you do these things, I see it from a different light, in the sense that me who say wokra waje atum say ne kre ade na wo ye na enye, because na ka ade na wo ye na ka ya na ka nipa kuno so nkofa ne pastor eno so ye bone emba. Jamaica no, are you guys understanding? If udi bone ana wo bi ebo we chi say oh ade a wa ye bone, ade a wa ye bone, na wo so ba bonten be ka nipa kuno say hey wokra no say wo so ye say, indirectly you are accepting waje atum say ne kre ade a wo ye na bone na nipa kuno so wa ye bi. So these political games there, uyo bia unim Ghana politics mo, it will not be news. And that is what they all do. And then MPP for sorry no more kasa. Wo mo kasa about nsem we see ye wo Mahama abemu. Even though Mahama ye ni fi abemu 4 years ago. Now so ye kasa about nyama ema ye tutia no. Na ke ni kwan kra say sisa. And this insu benya no kasa. Wo kasa about current. Ono so in the future. Wono so beye sa aboni ni bi. No so about the kasa about the MPP 4 year. O de he ma NDC for win election. Whether this year or whether next 4 years, whether next 8 years, whatever time, o de ma NDC for, because want to me tell me say for the rest of the time no. Ghana etiasi for the rest of the time want to me tell me say NDC will never win elections forever. Even if it's 20 years to come, Krana, they will win elections one time because they're between these two political parties. Even if it's 20 years to come, even if it's next 4 years, even if it's just this year, Krana, would you mind this in win election? Now, on more time, ma woman koye bibina Ghana for near entry announced omoso. Womonso ebebo 2020, somewhere is here, and we could father abemumu. Say, Annie, what time? And a corruption say, also, what time, excavator, or time, would you be? That's the same thing Sammy James is doing here. Don't try my comment box anymore.